Good morning, everybody. Welcome to this fantastic Friday and the 50, I don't know, कौन सा episode of Only Positive News. I think 56 या 57 पता नहीं, आप लोग comments में डाल देना. And as you can see, the scene is very different because this is the Only Positive News got to you obviously by the Nut and the Shrink. So I'm the Nut and this is my sister, Dr. Anjali Chhabria, the Shrink. So Anjali, why don't you introduce yourself? So as men know, you must have heard me अपने tips में बोलता हूँ Dr. Anjali Chhabria, मेरी sister. So here she is. Sorry, ये है या अरे किधर है पता नहीं किधर है हाँ जिधर भी है हाँ. So Anjali, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hi guys, so nice to finally meet you all. I was wondering why he was not inviting me all these days. Of course he's the Nut. So, you all have just been dealing with him recently, but I've been dealing with him for so many years. So Atul, why don't you just tell us a little bit about the positive news of today?
Okay, so first of all, let me tell you that she's the Shrink for other people, but I am her Shrink. So just get in perspective. So first of all, एक तो तुम लोग को फटाफट positive news बता दो. First of all, very good news coming. So there was a girl in Dibrugarh, poor girl. She started selling vegetables on cycle in a village. So the Assam police saw it and they said they decided to give her their own motorbike so she can be easier to sell vegetables on that. So amazing news coming. एक अच्छी news आ रही है that farmers in Kolar, so एक village है Kolar में which is makes a lot of tomatoes, superb tomatoes बनाती है. लेकिन क्या हुआ, tomatoes are getting spoiled because लोग खरीदने को नहीं थे. So they started, somebody told them that technology of why don't you sun dry it. So now they are doing sun dry करके tomatoes जो करके पूरे pizzas के ऊपर डाल रहे हैं. अरे super, it सब चल रहा है यार, तुम लोग चिंता मत करो. एक और बहुत अच्छी न्यूज आ रही है. थाने में there's a boy called थाने में there's a guy called देशपांडे. I think अक्षय देशपांडे, पता नहीं, जो भी एक देशपांडे है. He had 15, I mean he's in the 12th grade. पता नहीं 15 साल 16 साल का है. He has started this initiative where he's going to take medicines directly from pharmaceutical suppliers, because क्या होता है, all of these pharmaceutical companies they spend a lot of marketing brand. So he decided to take medicines directly and sell it through his store and cut up to 80% of the prices. In fact, Ratan Tata himself was so impressed by it that he has decided to put an undisclosed amount in the stake in his company. Arey yaar, crazy news. Ek last fourth news right before I get my doctor in is that there's a girl, a 10-year-old girl in America. She was missing, hugging her grandparents because of COVID. Because obviously, वो भी छोटी है, वो भी elderly है. So she made a shower curtain. उसके अंदर she cut it using some paper thing. और उसके वो क्या बोलते हैं वो ziplock की bags बना के they have put a virtual kind of a thing using shower curtain where she can go and hug her grandparents and उनके दरवाजे के बाहर लगा. So every evening she goes, hugs them through the क्या बोलते हैं protection करके भी and doing this. यार great news coming from everywhere. And now तो ये तुम्हारी positive news हो गई. So now let me introduce the Shrink. So let me tell you what we have been doing. So Anjali and me actually last one entire year we had this thing called Shrink and the Nut, where we went to 10 12 colleges thanks to the Rotary Club, and we addressed close to 25,000 students, talking to them just about emotional well-being issues what the kids have. And I think it was very, very successful. And I thought we should get Shrink and the Nut over here. So today, I'm going to spend a lot of time discuss with Anjali about a lot of the mental health or emotional well-being, people which may be, issues which people may be having during the COVID. So the one topic which Anjali, I want to ask you right now first. See, I'm fully prepared. How does somebody retain sanity during this lockdown? Because honestly, मैं भी कभी-कभी anxious हो जाता हूँ. So tell me. Over to you.
So first of all, it's very, very normal to feel anxious, okay? Because we are not used to being indoors, and we are social beings. So we like to go out, we like to meet our friends. So this is a new situation. So let me tell you that being anxious sometimes is absolutely normal. So you are not abnormal.
Yay.
Okay? Yes. But at the same time, I think there are 2-3 things we can do. So the first thing, when you wake up in the morning, you say, wow, I'm in my own house. I'm not in a hospital. So feel happy about that.
Yeah.
Right? Second thing is, you ask yourself, so do I want to get up in my own house, or do I want to be a healthcare worker? So imagine if you were a doctor, you wouldn't be sitting in your house and doing this. You would be sitting and looking after hundreds of patients. So remind yourself that you're not a healthcare worker, but you are sitting in the luxury of your house and you just have to be locked down.
Sometimes I feel like waking up in my girlfriend's house. Is that normal, or is that am I dreaming, or what is it?
Well, I think let's call your wife here so that she can hit you.
Please go ahead.
Okay. And the third thing is, remind yourself when you wake up and you're getting bored and saying I'm feeling anxious, again remind yourself, thankfully I'm in my house and I'm not in some quarantine or not in some ICU anywhere.
Correct. Great.
So when you keep reminding yourself that this is the best position that you can be in, you won't feel so anxious any longer. And yes, of course, people are losing sleep, people are getting anxious because there are reasons to get anxious. So one is financially, people are wondering कि job है नहीं है, exams का क्या होगा, पढ़ाई का क्या होगा. Of course, the other anxiety is if anybody even coughs or has a slight temperature, you feel, oh my God, if I get COVID, then what?
Correct.
So these are normal anxieties. But if the anxiety becomes too much, then there are so many helplines available. Just pick up the phone and call them up and chat with them.
Okay, great. But tell me one more thing. You are saying it's okay to get anxious, I mean, kitna, where does the limit draw? Because, I do not know, because that yesterday I lost my sleep at 4:00 in the morning. I was just thinking about when will my comedy start again? When will, about financials and things like that, and lost the entire sleep. Then, I was, so, I mean, for example, sleep, because I think sleep plays a very, very important role in this entire thing, because that's what I've read. I don't know. But so, क्या करूं मैं अगर नींद नहीं आ रही है, if I lose sleep, because anyway I'm sleeping a lot more nowadays because being at home and things like that. So I know you had told me earlier, I had given a tip to these guys that you should follow a routine as much as possible. So can you say something more about that?
Sure. So first of all, let me tell you that 40% of the world is having sleep issues.
40%?
Okay.
Oh, take it. I'm okay.
Okay, so what happens is occasionally if you have a sleep disturbance, okay, one night you don't sleep, it's okay, you will make up for it the next night. So just get up at the same time and don't keep cribbing, "Arey neend nahi aayi." Do your regular day work. Okay. In fact, when you wake up in the morning, get out of bed. Okay, people, what happens is because they've not slept in the night, they sleep in the day. Okay, and because of that, the night sleep gets ruined. The next thing what people are doing is having a lot of caffeine at odd times. Okay, so they're having caffeine to wake up and alcohol to sleep. Now, both these things are actually messing up your routine. Okay, so if you want to drink coffee, drink it in the morning or the first part of the day. Don't have coffee and tea after 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay. Then also the other thing is when you get up, get out of your bed. Even if people have one room, don't sit on your bed, sit on your floor and work. Okay. Yeah. You were told that once also, that people are using their bed to eat, to sleep, everything. Correct. Yes. So the mind is getting very confused. The next thing is before you have to go to sleep, have a sleep routine. Stop all gadgets. Because all the time if you're looking at light, whether it's a laptop or it's a screen or even it's a mobile phone, if you're going on looking at it, that light interferes with your brain. But रात को लेके नींद ही नहीं आती. You don't watch 1 hour of Netflix. You watch Netflix, sit down somewhere else and watch it. Sit on your dining table, sit on the floor and watch it. But when you want to sleep, you come to your bed. So as you go to the washroom, brush your teeth, wash your face, have a bath if required. Okay, and get on to bed and start reading something. Okay, and in fact, no, but I'm saying that on my bed, I have a wife who I've been married for the last 27 years. I don't want to go on the same bed. Well, you have a wife, you're lucky. You still have a wife. But at the same time, I think a lot of your audience is sleeping by themselves and they're students also. So till they get a wife, I tell them that they should, kind of make friends with their worst textbooks. So if your worst subject is chemistry, pick up your chemistry book and start reading it. I promise you will get sleep in the next 15 minutes. Okay. This was taught to us as children, if you remember. I forgot everything in my childhood. Yeah. What are the other things people can do to retain their sanity? Pata yaar. When you said sleep is good, when you gave one more suggestion, give me other 3 most good suggestions to retain sanity. Are there 3 more suggestions? Of course. So first is, don't sit and watch the COVID score all the time. Okay. In fact, just first 5 minutes of the day and the last 5 minutes of the day. Okay. Don't keep discussing it. Don't keep looking at the forwards every day. Okay. The second thing is find some time to relax, whether it is chatting with your friends, whether it is gossiping. Gossiping is really important. Seriously? Okay. So absolutely, because when what do you gossip? You have to gossip about COVID only. Yaar. और क्या करेंगे? पता है वो बिल्डिंग में कोविड हुआ है. Well, you can find some COVID lover fest to gossip about. There may be people who are having relationships in COVID. I don't know. You have to find that out.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah,
Or you can start talking to your childhood friends. You know, when you talk to your childhood friends and you talk about that silly thing, how you pulled that teacher's leg 20 years ago. Okay. And you can still laugh about it. Okay. So that is something that really helps you. Another thing is, I think, exercise. Whenever anybody is feeling restless, I tell them exercise. Okay, exercise for 1 hour, 2 hours daily, start doing push-ups, start doing spot jogging, of course, yoga and meditation. Of course, this is the best time to do it. There's so many lovely apps free of cost,
yeah, correct.
It's very important to you, right? Free of cost.
Yeah, very important.
So,
yeah.
Yeah.
Even
So-
push-ups are very important. I've forgotten how to do them between the sheets, but whatever.
so that is something. Yoga and meditation also are something. And again, exercise does not mean boring. You can put on some nice youtube dances every day. I mean, every day I have a new stranger who's teaching me dance in my room, which is fantastic. One day Latin American, one day something else.
Correct.
So you can do all these things and keep your sanity, but at the same time, you also raised a very, very important issue. You said that, what do I do? How do I know when I'm tipping?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for example, after doing all these things, also you're not able to curb your anxiety. Okay. You're going on thinking only about this and worrying about either your loved ones or about yourself. Okay. Then that is the time that you need to either talk to your friends about it or talk to a counselor. Okay. Discuss with your friends. If you're having a financial anxiety, discuss with whoever it is.
Okay.
Whether it's your family, whether it is your friends, whether it is any of us who look up to. We all have mentors.
Correct.
Just pick up the phone and say, I have a problem. I
Okay.
think what we need to understand, there's no shame in saying I have a problem.
Yeah.
Everybody has problems these days.
Yeah.
Who doesn't have a problem, right?
Correct.
So I think if we can just pick up the phone, and even if you're feeling shy to talk to someone then you can talk to someone you don't know. So like a counselor, all the
correct.
helplines.
Yeah, there are, I
Lots of
believe, lot of
help-
helplines available. In fact, what I'll be
Yes.
doing it, guys, बाद में on my Insta story मैंने पहले भी डाला था, but again I'll go ahead and put these, these mental health ये काम करना, उसका screenshot लेके उसको store करते हैं अपने phone में. These are actually given by the Maharashtra government. Also, a lot of your Indian Psychiatry Association, I think they have come up with
Yes.
of one of the best doctors. इसके numbers are there, so you can call them.
Yes.
There are 24/11 helplines available. So please do take mental health. It's okay to. It's as she's told me, जो हम लोग mental shrink के अंदर होता है, it is nowadays it's cool. पहले people used to get scared कि अरे ये तो मेरी psychiatrist. Now it's become like, hey, I'm seeing a therapist. I have a therapist. So now if you don't have a therapist, you're not cool.
Fashionable.
Yeah.
It's fashionable to have a therapist.
Yeah, so it's all okay. And once again, I always tell, before I go, I always tell this very thing. See, we have to all realize that this is not only a problem which has reached only India. It's a global problem. People across the world, humans across the world are facing the same thing for the first time. All of us are facing it the first time and hopefully for the last time. So I think, and I'm very, very positive that because of this, because everybody is sort of, involved, all the, people are going to very, very soon find a vaccine for it, and very soon ek to aisa bhi ho jayega, we'll all forget about it and we'll look at it as a bad dream and khatam ho jayega. Okay, so I think Anjali, thank you so much for your time. I'll be coming again to you tomorrow, so we are going to have this series for at least 4 or 5 dekhenge, and keep some time for me. Don't charge me, and guys, see you tomorrow on Saturday, and I'll call Dr. Anjali again. Okay guys, bye, take care, bye. Anjali, say bye to them.
Bye-bye.
Shake hand to the camera. Since you're old, you don't know. Okay, bye. Take care. See you all. Bye.